Frankfurt is a major city in the state of Hessen in central Germany. It is located on the banks of the Main River, and is therefore also widely known as Frankfurt am Main. Frankfurt is a major city, listed as the fifth largest city of Germany. Among the many cities in Germany, Frankfurt is one of the most important. Frankfurt is the financial center of Germany and even Europe. Historically, Frankfurt is full of significant events that later became relevant for all of Germany. Frankfurt's history can be traced back to the Roman Empire. The historical importance of Frankfurt begins in the 19th century with the famous St. Paul's Church. This church served as a national assembly, a sort of parliament where the representatives and lawmakers of Germany met to talk about politics and the need to form a new constitution for the country. This is a contemporary painting, probably from around 1849. It shows German lawmakers meeting and discussing the political situation in the country. An image of great historical relevance for Germany. Today, St. Paul's Church stands as an important symbol of democracy and a reminder of Germany's political and historical development. Frankfurt is a city with a very rich culture. The many historical buildings bear witness to a long-lasting history of the city. Another important historical building worth mentioning is the Frankfurt Cathedral. The Frankfurt Cathedral is known for being an imperial cathedral, which means it was the location where German kings and emperors were crowned and celebrated. It played a central role in the coronation ceremonies and imperial events during the Holy Roman Empire. The 19th century marked a time of industrialization and growth for Frankfurt. The city's central location and well-developed transport infrastructure contributed to its rise to become an important financial and commercial center. Banks and financial institutions emerged in Frankfurt, including the German Stock Exchange. A long street leads from the main train station to downtown Frankfurt. During a walk, the many large skyscrapers in Frankfurt immediately catch your eyes. These buildings are huge. It seems like they want to show people the greatness of the city. This is understandable, because Frankfurt is the financial hub of Germany. Frankfurt is known worldwide as a financial center, similar to Wall Street in New York. 4 of the largest German banks are headed in Frankfurt. Frankfurt is also the seat of the European Central Bank, meaning Frankfurt can be seen as the financial capital of Europe. An emblem that is immediately associated with the city of Frankfurt is the famous euro sculpture. The euro sculpture is often seen as a symbol of the importance of the euro currency and the financial hub that Frankfurt represents in Europe. It has become a popular tourist attraction and a recognizable emblem in the city. An expression of power and greatness. As a financial metropolis, Frankfurt makes Germany an important player in world politics. If you're visiting Frankfurt, you can find the euro sculpture near the entrance of the European Central Bank building, which is located in the Arsten district, east of the city center. Another special feature of the city is the fact that the German Stock Exchange is also based in Frankfurt. The Frankfurt Stock Exchange is one of the world's largest and most important stock exchanges in the world. It plays a crucial role in the German and European financial markets. When walking through the city center of Frankfurt, you notice the multitude of shops. There are many shopping stores. Frankfurt offers excellent shopping opportunities. The city is also renowned for its diverse culinary scene, with a wide range of international cuisines and traditional German dishes. A famously known place is the Römerberg. Frankfurt's Römerberg is a historic square, located in the heart of the city's old town. It is one of the most famous and picturesque areas in Frankfurt, known for its beautiful medieval architecture and charming atmosphere. The Römerberg Square is surrounded by well-preserved half-timbered houses, which give it a distinctive and traditional German look. Half-timbered houses are traditional German houses, characterized by their wooden framework, filled with brick, plaster, and other materials. The half-timbered houses contain historical elements. During World War II, Frankfurt was heavily bombed by the Allies. Many of the old half-timbered houses were destroyed. Only a few could be preserved. Some were restored after the war and now serve as historical monuments. In addition to its historical significance, Römerberg offers several cafes, restaurants, and shops where you can relax, enjoy a meal, or shop for souvenirs. It is a must-visit destination for anyone exploring Frankfurt, providing a glimpse into the city's past and a chance to get to know its unique charm. From Römerberg, you can walk to the banks of the Main. A long promenade runs along the banks of the Main and invites you to take a walk, or just relax and enjoy the beauty of the city. On the banks of the Main there is the famous Iron Bridge. The Iron Bridge is a pedestrian bridge that crosses the Main River in central Frankfurt. It is a popular landmark and offers panoramic views of the city skyline. Along the banks of the Main River, you'll find a cluster of world-class museums, including the Städel Museum. It is a museum of modern art. This area hosts various art exhibitions and cultural events. Another beautiful building in Frankfurt is the Old Opera House. This is a concert hall. The Old Opera House is a historic and iconic building located in Frankfurt, Germany. The Old Opera House serves as a prominent cultural venue for concerts, classical music performances, ballet, and other artistic events. It hosts a diverse range of programs, including renowned orchestras, soloists, and international artists. The Old Opera House stands as a symbol of Frankfurt's rich cultural heritage and its commitment to the arts. Its restoration and transformation into a modern event hall have allowed it to continue playing a significant role in the city's cultural scene, attracting audiences and artists from around the world. At times, famous personalities such as Friedrich Schiller and Wolfgang von Goethe worked in Frankfurt. In the large park of Frankfurt's financial district stands a statue of the well-known German poet Friedrich Schiller. The city of Frankfurt paid a lot of tribute especially to Wolfgang von Goethe. Johann Wolfgang von Goethe was a famous German writer, poet, philosopher and scientist. Although Goethe is closely associated with Frankfurt, he was actually born in Frankfurt am Main. Goethe's legacy extends far beyond Frankfurt, as he left a lasting impact on German literature, philosophy, and cultural history. His works continue to be studied, appreciated, and celebrated worldwide, and his connection to Frankfurt adds to the city's cultural and literary heritage. There are many quotations from Goethe. One of them is, "A man sees in the world what he carries in his heart." Overall, Frankfurt is a vibrant city with a thriving financial sector, a rich cultural scene, and a mix of historic and modern attractions, making it a popular destination for business travelers and tourists. If you liked this video, follow me and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.